Thank you for watching. I just got this in the mail today. This is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I've been seeing everyone use this and they love it, so I'm gonna go ahead and test it out for you. If you'd like to see how it's done, please keep watching. Okay, so my hair's still wet. Should probably be a little drier than it is by other people's reviews, but we'll see how it goes. May take a little bit longer. I'm using a little bit of Aquage Silkening Oil treatment. It's great for making your hair nice and sleek and taking away frizz. I absolutely love this product. So just gonna go ahead, rub it in my hands, put it through the ends, like that, and just a little bit up top. Okay, feels good. And I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off. Just that helps with making it easier so you don't pick up the same section and around, and saves time. Alright, let's turn this bad boy on. There's a cool, off, cool, low and high setting here, which is helpful. Alright, let's check it out. That's nice. Okay, so it gets pretty hot. Let's see, that didn't take too long for that section here. Alright, pretty cool looking, silky-ish. Let's see, pull down another section of hair here. The smaller sections you take, the faster it will be. Okay, let's see here. another section. Now my hair is pretty damp, so that's why it's taking a little bit longer, and you kind of want to hold it more at the roots for a few minutes longer just so it gets really dry, because they still feel a little bit damp. Okay. So that's why I've been holding it at the roots for a little bit more. This will be the last section, and I usually like to part it to the side. So. This. All right, so there you have it. Nice and bouncy and full. Pretty. I think it does a pretty nice job. It's pretty powerful. So here you have it. This is the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. It's pretty powerful. It gets very hot, which is good, and it has a nice tug to it, so it does pull your hair nice and smooth. We do recommend having your hair just slightly damp. It would speed up the process, and I think it works great. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, reviews on new products, just like this video down below and subscribe to my channel. This is the first of many, so hopefully I did okay and you guys like it. All right, have a good day. Thank you for watching.